Hi, this is Coach Jeremy Wintercheck with Kingdom Athletics at Castle Hills. Wanted to share our Kingdom Culture devotion with you for the week entitled, Let Your Walkin' Do the Talkin'. You know, our words are extremely powerful things, and we can actually use them to tear down or to build up. But one thing that our words cannot do is make something true. See, I can say all day long that I'm the hardest worker on the team, but unless I back that up with action, it's just not the case. Similarly, in the Bible, we see that God charges us to have our faith-filled words backed by faith-filled actions. In 1 John chapter 2, verse 6, it says, whoever says that he abides in him ought also to walk in the same way in which he walked. In Kingdom Athletics, we have a lot of things that we talk about and strongly identify with, like the Eagle Way or the process or our core values. You know, these are things that we discuss frequently. We say that we want to be people who demonstrate love, discipline, toughness, respect, hustle, heart, and competitive excellence. We talk about doing things right, being responsible and respectful. But at the end of the day, our actions determine whether or not we are those things that we say we are. That's why we always say that we want our walk-in to do the talking. So a couple of questions that we could be asking ourselves in regard to this idea. What do I say about who I am? And the second question is, do my actions measure up to that? And the third one is, if not, what can I do to become more like that person that God has called me to be? Hope you're having a great day. This is Coach Jeremy Wintercheck with Kingdom Athletics. Thanks and God bless.